Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my VBR Mathematics Learning channel. So today we will continue our Karnataka TET 2025 ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ in that first one, which of the following number is not a perfect square? So here it is a very simple question. Not a perfect square. You already know the perfect square meaning, that is it is a it is the product of same two numbers ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 49, 81, 100 and 99. In that, which one is not a perfect square? I have to tell here. First one, 49. 49 can be write it as, so 49, when you factorize this number, you will get 7 into 7. So 7 square. It is a perfect square number. So 81 also we can write it as 9 into 9, that is 9 square. And 100 also we can write it as 10 into 10, that is 10 square. So but 99 we cannot write it in the form of like this doublets. So this is not a perfect square. When you factorize this one, you will get some different factors. This is not a perfect square. So the answer is here option D. It is a very simple one. So we'll go for next one. The square of which number is 25? So when you take the square of these numbers, you take 14 square. 14 into 14 you multiply, you'll get some different number. Here the number is ending with 5 means you check out with the number is ending with 5 only. So 14 into 14 you'll get some value. 15 into 15 I'll get, because here 15 is ending with 15. So when you multiply 15 into 15, you'll get 15 5s are 75. So 7, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 7, you'll get 22. So when you take the square of 15, you'll get 225. The square of which number? Square means double, 2 times. So when you take the 15 into 15 2 times, you'll get 225. So option B is the correct answer. When you take 14 into 14, 4 4 is 16, you'll get at the end. So 16 also 6 6 are 36, 6 you are getting. So when your number is ending with 5, when you multiply with another 5, you'll get 5 only in the unit digit. Okay, it's a very simple one. So third one, find the number of natural numbers between 9 square and 10 square. So here there is a formula to find out the number of natural numbers between 9 square and 10 square. How many numbers are there in between 9 square and 10 square? There are given 4 options. Option A is 17, option B is 18, and option C is 19, and option D is 19. So 9 square and 10 square. So between 9 square and 10 square, you can easily count. But there is a formula, this simple formula to find out this. If you take 9 square as n square and 10 square as n plus 1 square. That means here n value becomes 9. So 9 square, 9 plus 1 is 10 square. So there is a formula to find out the numbers between any two square numbers, that is 2n. Here n value we got here 9. So 2 into 9 you'll get 2 9s are 18. There are 18 numbers in between 9 square and 10 square. So 9 square is what? 81 and 10 square is what? 100. In between how many numbers are there? You can count 81, 82, right, like that, and count it. But it is a simple one. If you use this formula, you will save your time. So n square, between n square and n plus 1 square, here n value is 9 and 2n is the formula. 2 into 9, 2 9s are 18. There are 18 numbers between 9 square and 10 square. Okay. So next one. What is the square root of 1024? So if I give 4, 9, then 25, 16, like a small numbers, you can easily tell the square root of that numbers. 4, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5, like that. But here they are given 1024. So for this bigger number, how to factorize? One of the method to find out the square root, that is factorization method. Factorize the given number This number is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again, the number is ending with 2 means by 2 only. 2 2s are 4. Then here 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. Again from 2, 2 6s are 2 4s are. Again this is from 8 8s are. Because 64 value we know. This is also divisible by 2. If you continue like that, you'll get 2, 2, 2, 2 like that. So we can write 1024 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 8 into 8. 4 times 2 and 2 times 8. This can be written as 2 2s are 4 into 4 into 8 into 8. Here when you find out the square root, you should do the pair 8 into 4 and 4 into 8. So 8 fours are 32 into 32. You should form the doublets. Okay. So don't multiply just directly, you'll get the same number. If you multiply directly, you'll get the same number. So here you should make the pairs and multiply 8 4 32 into 32. You'll get 32 square. So 1024 can be written as 32 square. So square root of 1024 becomes, so square root of 32 square. Square and square root get cancelled, you will get the value 32. So here option B is having 32. So this is the answer. It is a very simple one. We should know the method of factorization. Okay. So next one. Next one, if x square is equals to 81, then x is equal to what? So x square value they are given, that is 81. They are given 4 options. It is very simple one. 9 minus 9 plus or minus 9 and 0. So x square they are given. So x square is equals to 81. So when you take the 81 square out, you'll get 9 square, right? So 9 square is equals to 81. When you take the square root of 81, it becomes square root of 9 square. When you write the square root, you have to write plus or minus 9. Either it is plus 9 square or minus 9 square, you will get the same. If you take plus 9, 9 into 9, 81. If you take minus 9 into minus 9, minus into minus also, you will get plus 81 only. So that you should not get confused here. Don't write plus 9 or minus 9. You should write both plus or minus 9. That is option C. When you take the square root, it is having both a negative as well as positive sign. So the answer is plus or minus 9. Next one, what is the number of zeros in the square of 400? So it is also very simple. If the number is ending with 10, what is the square root? When you take the square of that number, it becomes double. Okay. Suppose if the number is ending with 10 like this, when you take the square of this one, write 1 as it is, the double of this, twice. Twice of this means 10 idra 2 zeros ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Suppose double zero idra 4 zeros ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So 300 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 ಇರೋದು 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 2s like that. So here 400 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 400 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 zeros ಇದೆ. So 2 zeros ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 zeros ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So here the option 2 3 4 and 6. 2 3 4 and 6, so that we already know the rule. When the number is ending with 10, when you take the square, it becomes double. So that here the number is ending with 2 zeros, so 2 2s are 4 is the answer. When you take the square of 400, you multiply 400 into 400, get at the end you'll get 4 zeros only. So it is a very simple method. You should know the properties of square and square roots. If you know that, it is very simple and easily you can calculate, and you can save the time also. So next one, these are all simple questions actually. So the next one, the square of an even number is always. When you take the square of even number, what is it? Which number you'll get? You'll get odd number, even number, prime number, or composite number. I'll take one example and verify it. Suppose I'll take one small simple one, that is a 2 is a even number, or you can take 4 also. When you take the square of 2, you'll get 4. You take 4 square. 16. What? Which number is this one? 4, 16. Or you can take 6 square. You'll get 36. Sorry, 6 square will get 36. And even number only you should take. 8 square will get 64. So what these numbers 4, 16, 36 and 4, 64 are? All are even numbers. When you take any square of any even number, it should be always even only. So these are some examples. Next one. So this kind of question we already solved. So I already told how many non-perfect square numbers are lie between 12 square and 13 square. How many non-perfect? There they were asked how many numbers. But here non-perfect square numbers both are same. So here the numbers between n square and n plus 1 square. Right. Here n square is 12 square. So 12 plus 1 whole square is becomes 13 square. So that n value becomes 12. The formula to find out the numbers between any two square number, that is 2n. So 2 into 12, 12 to the 24. Where is 24 here? Option A. So this kind of question we already solved. So there they were asked numbers. Here they are mentioned non-perfect square. Both are same. Okay. So if you write it 12 square, 144 and 13 square, 169. 144 to 169. If you count the numbers, you'll get 24 only. Okay. So next one. The area of square field is 441 meters square. What is the length of its side? So here they are given area of the square field, that is 441 meters square. You should find out the side of the square field. So here area of the square field. Area of the square field formula, that is A is equals to side square. So here A is nothing but area of square. So area they are given 441. Here side we can take here A, A. We don't know the side. So take A square. Apply square root on both sides. Okay, square root on both sides. If you take the square root of 441 is equals to square root of A square. So here square and square root get cancelled. A is equals to square root of 441. If you factorize this number, you will get, so do the factorization, you will get 21 into 21. If you take 20 into 20, here only you can easily find out 0 into 0, you get at the end 0. But here 1 is there. So 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. So 1 is there, is means 21 only, you can cross check with it. 441, 21 into 21. So A is equals to square root of 21 square. So square and square root get cancelled. Then A is equals to 21 meter. Okay. So here the option B is having 21 meter is the side of the square. It is very simple. You should know the area of the square formula, that is side square. So this is also very simple direct one. Next one, which of the following number is a perfect square? So they are given numbers. You have to find out which is the perfect square. So when it factorize 50, you will not get a pair or a multiple of two same multiples. 64, we already know this is the square number of 8 square. 8 into 8. 75 also we cannot write. 90 also we cannot write. It is a direct question. The answer is here 64. Okay, I'll stop today's class here. I'll continue the next class tomorrow. So if you have any doubts, please write in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like and share as much as possible. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.